Welcome back, everybody, to the Crypto Mindset channel. We talk all things crypto trading, investing in all the money making and the printing machines. We're going to talk about HyperLiquide in the house. All the hype fans, give me a like, smoke that like button, subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss anything that we post because we post trades in real time. So smoke that bell notification for me, please. HyperLiquide update. What a beautiful coin. Oh, and before I forget, for people that are naysayers that always, tell me, you need to show Google, blah, 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 whatever. Here is something I want you to note. This is a trade we took on our memberships. As you can see, April 17th, over a month ago. You can see it here. You can see it here. Hype long candidate buy the breakout above 16.9. I said 7.5 to 8%. Now to make this bigger, you can see that the timestamp, April 17th, this was the entry above the 1690, all right? This was the entry. Again, see it over here, read it and whip it, okay? We are professionals. We tell our members what to do at all times, exactly. Read risk management always. So if you want to as well want to be with us, you need to subscribe to my membership. So check the first link in the description and go, because this is money season. So the update here is hype. What a beauty. As I said, our entry was the breakout from this horizontal resistance 16.9 area. Beautiful pivot. Look what I've seen. This was an inverse head and shoulders tradable bottom. The right side was kind of a bull flag. It broke out, went bent back down, retested, broke out. We added here. I don't only have signals, but as will give market updates videos. I told our people to put more position here, half. So let's say 10% of your account was on this trade, add half, add 5%. What about here? I said to add another 5%. And of course, this was the last one here. You can see we broke out today. This is actually so beautiful because as you can see, we got halted before today, right? Before today, we got halted kind of pitch perfect. Sorry, this is not the right thing I want to show. This is going to be this. From here, we got halted exactly where kind of the last line of resistance were. Yes, you kind of have this real kind of all-time high, but by now this is clear sky, okay? Very short. Hype didn't want to wait for anyone. It didn't want to wait for anyone. You can see it over here. It went sideways for what, like 10 days or so. Not like here when it went like a couple of months, 10 days, kind of a little bit, even wedged a little bit up on resistance, but boom, broke out clean. Just imagine being this early and then being able to add here, being able to add here, and being able to add here. So more than double a regular position with no risk, because you're already profiting since the beginning, okay? Already profiting since the beginning. So what can I expect now? Look, with everything that is happening with Bitcoin momentum, and we need Bitcoin to continue, right? So with Bitcoin above the 111 right now, supposedly we need to continue on Bitcoin. Things should look good for Bitcoin, and it should take the market with it, especially the strong names that people want, that has a lot of buying interest, okay? Many coins are just going to move sideways or move up a little bit or move one day up, one day down, or maybe a couple of days up and down. They won't have these, beautiful trends like hype had. But on hype, we broke from this resistance, okay? I argue that maybe, okay, maybe at this all-time high, okay, we can get another potential sideways action, right? Another potential, so something like this. I'm gonna just draw it so it's easier for me. We can go all the way here and maybe got hold for a few days, just like happened over here and just like happened over here and like happened over here, and maybe then break out. This is going to be your last chance to kind of enter before real clear sky happens. And I always look, guys, girls, ladies and gents, you want blue sky, all right? You want blue sky in your trading, because blue clear sky means you don't have a lot of overhead supply, right? People just waiting for price to go back to break even, for them to dump their coin because they were waiting for break even, because they were at a loss for so long, okay? That's what happens when you have a lot of charts with past price action. This, all right, is a new chart, no price action in the past. So once we break to these new highs, it's going to be clear sky. Now, what might happen is, okay, is that instead of going beautifully, like I just said. Now, maybe we'll get a peak above and then need to get back and then build sours and then break. This also can happen. Both these scenarios happen many times. But hey, look, I'm looking at hype right now, and I'm looking at a coin that wants to continue. I'm looking at a new coin. I'm looking at a project that I've said this in the past that has interest not only by retail traders, which is always good and and needed for sure. We love. I'm a retail trader like all of you, right? But as well has interest from real whales like Arthur Hayes and like Flood USD, which is another trader from 2012 that has like big banana money, right? Like millions, like hundreds of millions of dollars and stuff like that. So we need those people to help us create the continuation. Remember, this is a trend up, right? This probably is not going to be like a one-off. Some meme coins can go up for a couple of weeks and then down, round trip, everything. This seems to me like this can go on a trend, and we are already riding it risk-free. And just to make sure, all the naysayers and all the haters and trolls, again, I'm going to show you our WAP. This is our membership. If you want to join, this is dirt cheap for you, right? Go join. The link is in the description. Go to the Jomo group, mine, Sims, whatever, right? Whoever you feel is suitable for you. And you will get this. Look, this is it. April 17th. This is the hype. You can see it here. I can actually enlarge this one so you can see it a bit better on the right side. Doesn't matter, all right? The picture, I'm sorry, is this. Again, April 17th. This is where we initiated the position. And of course, we added afterwards. We added afterwards. And look, professional things, are happening in the WAP because I'm a professional and I'm leading my people to be in a professional mindset. Stop round tripping. Stop getting in things and giving all your profit back away. Take profits. I'm teaching them. I'm teaching them so many things. You need to come and invest in yourself. And look, this is the WAP, all right? You can come here, join my VIP, you can join my VIP. This is a 6-month price, okay? So the 6-month price is actually just like the monthly price, but you get more. You get an onboarding call, you get my coaching one-on-one each month. I'm going to mentor you. So yes, you can join the Jomo trades, get the trades, get the signals, get the updates, and you will learn for sure 100%. But if you'll just commit, because I'm looking for committed people to join me, you commit for 6 months, prices almost the same. You will get all of this and more and more and more. Look, this is the time for you to invest in yourself. This is probably going to be the last leg of this bull market. Every bull market has a last leg of it. Now, breaking above the 110, breaking above the 111, this is going to probably be it. You want to make sure you're booking your profits. You want to make sure you're professional. You want to make sure you're investing in the right areas, in the right places, and you want to make sure that you're not missing the good opportunities. Because I will tell you one thing: if you think that the coins that worked past cycles are still going to work this cycle, I have bad news for you. Each cycle, new coins outperform, and even within a one cycle, you have in the beginning of the cycle things that work, and in the end of the cycle things that work. You want to be on top of the real opportunities, and what I offer is to be the one that is making all the heavy lifting for you. I chart and I look for thousands of charts weekly basis, find the best opportunities, the new coins, the saucy, the juicy ones, things that are gems people don't even look at, and I put it in front of you, in front of your radar. Of course, I'm going to teach you how I do it, but as well, I'm going to do it for you. Go to the WAP, dirt cheap now. You should invest in yourself now, okay, before it's too late. And I'm going to be making money for my members, and you're going to be left out. I'll see you in the next one. No edge, no trade. Cheers.